Hello everyone. Welcome to Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. Mangoes are still there in the season. So this weekend breakfast it is Aamras and Masala Puri. So let's get started. I've taken wheat flour, that is atta, and to this I'm going to add a few spices. They are kasuri methi, turmeric powder, red chili powder, sugar, ajwain seeds, that is carom seeds, and salt. These are the masalas that will go into the atta. Give it a good mix. You can use your spatula, spoon, or your hands for this work. Once you see that everything has been mixed properly, you take a lemon and squeeze out the juice into it. Mix this with the atta. Here again, using my humble hands as the spoon, I've taken oil. All the ingredient amount and list will be given at the end of the video, so you need not worry about it. Mix this oil very well with it till you get a crumbly kind of texture. Now add lukewarm water little at a time and start to make the dough. Get everything together first. All the flour has to be brought together with the water. Now the entire flour has been hydrated with the water. This is the time when you will start bringing all of them together into one single dough. Keep kneading it for a couple of minutes. The sides of the bowl should not have anything sticking to it. That is when you will know that the dough has been formed properly. Now when you press it, you'll see that the dough is very soft, but your fingers should not have anything sticking to them either. Dough is ready. We will let it rest for some time. Now we'll make the Aamras. Take a mango and cut it into pieces. I have not used any other bowl because I thought I will do it directly into this grinding jar. But it will be better if you first cut it in a separate bowl and then put it into the jar. All the mango pulp has been put into it. If your mango is not very sweet, add about a teaspoon or two of sugar and then the cardamom powder. Grind it into a smooth puree. If you see that the puree is thick, mine is a little thick, so what you'll do is you'll add cold milk into it. If you don't like milk, you can add ice cubes as well and then mix it once again. The consistency should be somewhat like the one which I am showing it here. Now we'll make the masala puris. We'll knead the dough once again and then cut out small balls from it. With this amount, I have made 16 puris. Now roll these balls into small discs and then fry it in hot oil. I did not know about this recipe, not until my husband told me. He learnt it when he was in Mumbai, and that is how I came to know about this. And now it has become one of our favorite recipes during this mango season. So here the oil is hot. I'm just checking it with small dough ball. When it comes onto the surface, it is ready to put the puri into it. Fry till golden color on a high flame, and then it is ready. And now finally the time has come to serve and relish it. And yes, one more thing. Aamras is to be served chilled, and just before you serve it, decorate it with chopped nuts like almonds, pistachios, cashew nuts. Now take the hot masala puri, dunk it into this chilled Aamras, and just enjoy. It is simply divine. Give it a try, you will fall in love with it. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like, comment and share, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Thank you.